Today, we're exploring Lufe.ai, an AI-powered browser extension that makes website translation incredibly smart and simple. Unlike traditional tools, Lufe.ai offers bilingual translations, floating translation controls, and support for multiple AI engines like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. It helps users understand not just the words, but the tone and meaning behind content, making it ideal for students, researchers, language learners, and anyone who regularly consumes global content. Now let's see how it works in real time. First, click the Install Extension button, and it will begin installing from the Chrome Web Store. Once the installation is complete, it will prompt you to choose your preferred language. I'm selecting English as my default, but as you'll see, the list includes everything from German and Spanish to many Indian languages as well. After that, it asks you to pin the extension for quick access. This step is optional, you can skip it if you prefer. Then, you'll see a testing window, where you need to click the plugin icon to translate the sample content shown on the left. And just like that, it works beautifully. A floating ball will now appear on the right side of your browser. You can use this quick access button to translate any web page instantly. For even faster access, just press Ctrl + Shift + L to activate the translator without clicking. Next, the extension will ask you to log in or sign up. Once you're successfully logged in, the installation window will close, and you'll be redirected to their pricing plans. They offer a free plan as well as starter, standard, and premium plans. With the free plan, you get unlimited machine learning translations at no cost. If you upgrade to starter or standard, you'll unlock AI credits, which allow you to translate using advanced AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Lufe.ai does a great job of explaining why AI translation is better than standard machine translation. For example, machine-based tools often translate word for word, missing out on grammar, phrases, and sentence tone. AI, on the other hand, understands vocabulary, context, and intention, giving you far more accurate and meaningful results. To test this, I changed the output language from English to Tamil to check its accuracy. The bilingual translation feature worked impressively. I could clearly see the difference between standard translation and AI-powered translation, especially in Tamil. You can even switch between translation engines anytime, from Google to ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, depending on your needs and preferences. Just for fun, I visited a Chinese magazine site to test how Lufe.ai handles complex pages. It translated the content into both English and local languages with high accuracy. I also tried a local language article page, and the results were equally great. Personally, I find this to be a powerful and practical tool. For students and researchers, it offers quick, intelligent access to global content without needing to copy and paste into other tools. And with bilingual support, it's incredibly useful for improving language skills as well. Overall, Lufe.ai delivers a seamless experience, combining smart AI translation, language learning aid, and one-click convenience into one great package. Don't miss out on trying it. Thanks for watching. More useful AI videos are coming soon in different languages. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.